Boy, he's ramped up. We should have brought an extra cavesson for him. He's getting a little excited. Oh, sorry. Quit, dude. Brian, you notice she's riding with split reins? Karen, you got to give him a hard time about riding with the single rein. Quit now. Did you just ask me if I was good to ride fast? Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. If either of these horses is going to buck, it's going to be Ninja anyway.
Half a mile that way. The only other house I have is that one. Where the pigs are, should be nothing.
Okay, so we're safe to shoot where we are.
They're all also kind of down.
There they are. I know. We gotta get closer. So I compete in cowboy mounted shooting, and I use single action .45 revolvers. So that means you have to pull the hammer all the way back before your gun will fire. This is the first time I've shot a rifle off of my horse. And with the rifle, he really doesn't have the sound of the hammer coming back like he would with my single actions to prepare him for the shot. So at this point, my horse thinks we're just on a trail ride. He wasn't having that. So yesterday when we went on the hog hunt, and I shot just below and then just behind. My horse jumped because he wasn't expecting it. And then we rode way down by the river bottoms, and we never got another chance to shoot it anymore. But we still had like a really fun trail ride, and Karen took us through a lot of brush, so I was kind of worried at one point if we were even going to be able to get the heck out of there. And then it got dark on us coming back, but it was still just a lot of fun, and it's beautiful out here. So this morning I've got Reba saddled, and we're going to go, I don't exactly know, but we're going to go catch some calves that they're going to be taking to the sale barn. So she's going to be helping to move cows, so that'll be a first for her, and it's been a long time for me. And we're gonna go catch these calves, and here comes Karen. We're getting ready to go. She's like, I'm ready to go.
And then, so here I am. I got him back again. I've got him back to working, but I have to stay on him.
I may have to stop and tighten my cinch. We'll see how she does. I don't know if she's holding the air or not. All right, I'm gonna follow you. She's gonna be so tired when we get home. Between
good experience. experience for her, though.
Right? We didn't haul dolly. I didn't haul dolly enough last year, so I'm trying to do a little better.
Between the chickens and the calves and...
Four-wheeler?
I didn't think of
Plastic.
four-wheeler.
Just being away from home.
Equipment, different horses.
I don't know that she's ever seen cattle. I mean, I have no idea. Maybe she has.
She does.
Got a lot of energy right now. And this grass is
He's
slick.
over 17 hands, so I'd say he's got at least 2 hands on
He's
her.
over 17 hands?
Yeah.
Wow.
So he's probably actually about 10 inches taller than her.
Oh my God.
Lawrence, you want to stay kind of on this side? We want him to go down that road through that gate we just come through.
Okay.
I'm going to go around the pond
Uh-huh.
and start running.
Okay. No, we're not eating right now. We're even deeper. There you go. Good.
That's good.
Hey, hey, hey. This has got a bad eye. Hello. We got a couple going.
Yeah, usually the grass will go pretty darn fast if the dog doesn't spook them. Babe, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh God, she hasn't taken a sore step on these rocks yet.
This horse here can't even walk on the...
Oh, you're waiting on me.
She got lots of sights.
Do what?
Seen all the sights.
She is, yeah, definitely. She doesn't like that plastic tarp back there at all.
Oh yeah.
You see Rome digging for gold? This has been great for her.
Oh, that much difference. Yeah. You're getting more like the big blue 500s, and they get it.
Went much taller up there, aren't you, kiddo? Got a better vantage point. Hey, Rome. You gonna give Mama Nux? You can't ride this horse. Nux. Nux. Good job.
She's helped us enough that she knows what we're doing. Maybe the big bulls were there too.
It's always nice having more help around.
Heck yeah. Whoa, that was loose. thing I checked it. Good thing I checked it. What's old in cow years?
10 to 12.
Oh, really? Okay. Go, ladies. It's your birthday. Gonna party like it's your birthday. Come on, girls. Good job, Reeves. Good girl. Much better.
He knows.
Yeah, and mine do too, and they do the same thing.
He just kind of looks away like, I didn't hear you.
I didn't hear you. You're not talking to me.
I'll say, get him.
Right.
Well, I think I may just shut these gates. Just in case any of those babies come back.
Close, close.